Servers for the government's new financial information system have arrived on the island and are yet to be tested. In a meeting held yesterday, discussions were held to consider plans for installation, testing phase before it is applied to government department operations. Government IT specialists within the Information Systems Office will be tasked to install servers and to test run the system. Treasury says that the last system had limited features and was put into operation in the early 90s, so an upgrade is long overdue. The new system has been designed specifically for Niue to enable efficiency and a more centralized management base of government's financial information. Housed within the Treasury Department, the system features will allow for automatic updates and real-time information, and a trainer from the New Zealand-based company that designed the system will arrive later on this month for a more in-depth training on how to use the NFIS that should make getting financial information and financial reports a lot easier and managed from a more central location.